Clearing search history on Shopify can help maintain privacy and improve user experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to Online Store. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Online Store. This section contains all the settings related to your store's appearance and functionality. Step 3. Go to Preferences. Under the Online Store section, click on Preferences. This area allows you to manage various settings, including search engine optimization and analytics. Step 4. Clear search history. Look for the option related to search history or search settings. Depending on updates, you may find a button or link to clear or reset your search history. Click on it to remove the stored data. Step 5. Save changes. After clearing your search history, ensure you save any changes you made. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Shopify, enhancing your store's privacy and functionality.